how to connect PayPal payments to Shopify. So from the left hand side, we want to click on settings, and right here we will go to payments. Once we have clicked on payments, then you should be able to see this PayPal and 2% transaction fee. So we want to click on activate PayPal, and it will take us through the setup process. So right here we have to click on activate, which will open up a new link and it will refer us to PayPal. Here's where we actually type out our PayPal email address, and then we click on next. Now it will ask us to log in with our information. So I will just simply do that and log in. And I will continue with a text authentication. So I'm going to come back in a sec. I've just logged in and now it asks me to convert my personal account into business. So we will just click on next and legal business name. So we have to confirm all of this information right here. So I will just fill this out as well and I'm going to come back in a sec. Okay, so right here we have to just check these boxes as well and agree and upgrade account. So we have granted Shopify permission. All right, so now we have to describe our business type here. I'm going to do individual. What is this? Letting us know what kind of process. So, all right, so I'm just gonna fill this out as well. I'm gonna come back. Okay, so we went through the process and it will tell us this. Thanks for signing up. You now have an account and you've successfully integrated PayPal with Shopify. So we can just click on go back to Shopify and it's going to take us back to the admin page and the payments. So let's see if this has integrated it. So as you can see now, our PayPal is active. And if we click on it, it will show us the connected account. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.